Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. And this time we're demonstrating an 8-track player out of a 77 Pontiac Firebird. Customer requested that this be converted for use with a modern radio using that radio's aux input. So give you an idea what I do. First of all the original electronics come out just like I do with the radio. The entire audio board comes out, the output section comes out, and what goes back in is my specially designed preamp, which has a nice treble boost to bring these old tapes out of the mud, make them sound a little bit brighter. And so now, since the 8-track uses up the radio's aux input, I add an extra aux input to the 8-track so that anytime there's no tape inserted, whatever's plugged into here, the aux input, will pass on to the radio. And then, of course, your complicated connector is just replaced with a hot in the ground wire for connection to car power. So let's go ahead and connect it up just the way we would do in a car and make sure it works. Okay, we got our output connected to my test receiver, which would be the customer's modern radio, of course. And then we've got our hot and ground to hook up real quick. Okay, and she should be ready to go. Let's pop a tape in here, turn the power supply on, pop a tape in. Make sure we got both sides. Okay, end of a song here. Okay, and that takes care of that. It plays, it changes tracks, it sounds pretty good, so we're good to go here. This comes from John in Phoenix, and John will actually be picking up this unit in person, so I get to enjoy a visit from him, and I don't have to pack this unit. That's a nice change. Alrighty, so to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and off the homepage of that website, please download and print up a work order so that you already know my prices and options and turn times. That's all in the work order, and there's no need to call me and take 15 minutes of my time to ask me those questions because I've taken care of that already on the work order. You're welcome to call me, even if it's just to get to know me and trust me a little bit. That's perfectly fine, but I'm simply unable to keep answering the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer when all you gotta do is download my work order, or even just go on my website and my prices are up there too. So please do that research before calling me with questions. After that, I'm happy to talk to you about anything, even the baseball game, as long as I'm not answering the same questions over and over from each new customer. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, John, for your business from a customer that I'll actually see in person. And we'll see you guys next time.